Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a very soft, wearable, foxy eye makeup look. So many words just to describe a makeup look. We're making this way too complicated. We need to chill a little. Just a little. It's winter after all. We're not ice cream, we don't need to chill too much. Room temperature is fine. What am I even talking about? It's too early in the morning, you guys. I haven't done a foxy eye in months and I like how it looks on me. But today I want to keep it simple, but glam. But simple, but glam. That's who I am. I'm a simple glam girl. We're not gonna wear any falsies today. I haven't worn falsies in so long. I'm kind of liking it, you know? I feel more free. False lashes are addictive, you guys. They're like sugar. Once you start wearing them, you can't stop. You can't. Anyways, I'm gonna spray my face with this Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. Too much? Always. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Oh my god, I can't sing, like, at all. So I've mixed those two foundations on the back of my hand. That looks messy. Welcome to my channel. Everything is messy here. I'm gonna get some of those foundations on my sponge and I'll start applying them on my face. I always forget to mention that my sponges are damp. I don't know why, but I love watching people apply their foundation. It's just so satisfying. Especially when it's a full coverage foundation. Oh my god. Alright, foundation is on. Now moving on to the brows. I have some bad news. Why did I say it like that? Yay! I have some bad news. Woohoo! It didn't sound convincing at all. Play dramatic music, please. I read somewhere that you need to be kind to your future self. For me, that's the one that is editing this video, but I don't know what that means. People love to say deep things on the internet that make absolutely no sense. Be kind to your future self. Huh? Okay, I'm gonna try. Anyways, dramatic music. Thank you. Can I just be serious for 1 second? Oh god, we're not doing that. Stop the dramatic music. Thank you. You look great today. Still talking to my future self, the one that is editing this video. I made the very difficult decision to stop using this, and you guys know how much I love this on my brows. The day I discovered that I can use this on my brows, my life became so much easier. But now I have to stop using it because I was getting so many very angry zits in this area of my face here. So I went on the internet to find some answers, and usually when you Google your symptoms, you're pretty much dying. That's what the internet tells you. I didn't know that a pimple could kill you. My point is, don't trust everything that you read on the internet, especially those deep thoughts. I read that sometimes you can get zits on your forehead because of hair products. And I was like, what hair products? What are you talking about? I don't use anything on my hair. And then it occurred to me, this is a hair product. Duh. Pong, pong, pong. Sometimes it doesn't work properly, most of the days. But anyways, I stopped using it and my skin is doing so much better in this area here. No more angry zits, so that's nice. So I'm gonna switch up my eyebrow routine. I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna take some powder on the fluffy brush and I'm gonna run that through my brows. Now, that's something different. We've never done that here. I'm planning on using eyebrow pencil on my brows. And I find that if I set my brows with some powder before I go in with that eyebrow pencil, it's so much easier to apply my eyebrow pencil. I said so many times eyebrow pencil. Oh my god. I'm using a translucent powder, by the way. I don't want to use powder with color. For my eyebrow pencil today, I haven't used eyebrow pencils in a really long time, but I like these ones here by Hourglass. They're so nice. I like the tip. Brushing through my brows with the spoolie of the pen. Oh! Filling them in. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. I'm gonna stop. Please don't unsubscribe. Thank you. I love you. Don't go. I want to go for more simple brows today. I'm kind of getting tired of those very perfected eyebrows. I want them more messy. I want my eyebrows to represent my personality. Messy. Some brow gel. This one is by Morphe. Okay, next up we are moving to the eye makeup. I'm gonna use some concealer as my eyeshadow primer today. If you're using concealer like me as your eyeshadow primer, this next step is very important. Take some powder. It can be translucent powder, it can be whatever powder you have, just something to set that concealer in place, because if you don't, it will start creasing, kind of setting into the creases of your eyelid. And it doesn't look good. So just apply a thin layer of powder all over your eyelid, and then we're moving on to the eyeshadows. Woohoo! So for my foxy eyes today, I'll only need 3 products: black eye pencil, eyeshadow palette, and some mascara. That's it. Here's how I'm gonna do it. I'm taking the black pencil and I will apply a very thin line across my lash line, stopping somewhere here in the middle. I'm not taking it all the way into my inner corner. Now take a small blending brush and start blending it out. Extend it into a wing. If your brush gets loaded with a lot of that pencil and you feel like things are getting out of control, take your brush, wipe it off. See, all of this product, you don't need it on your brush, and continue blending. You want to have something like this. Alright? Now, take your eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this one here by ColourPop. This is probably one of the best everyday eyeshadow palettes. It's very completed. It has all the neutral shades that I can possibly need for all of my neutral everyday looks. It has the shimmers, which you guys, you know I can't live without shimmers, right? If you don't have this eyeshadow palette, you just need a medium taupe eyeshadow like this one here. Take it on a flat brush, tap off the excess, and apply it on the border of that eye pencil. If you didn't manage to blend your eye pencil properly, this will help you quite a lot. It will make everything look so much more diffused. Now take a fluffier brush and blend it out. And if you want, you can repeat these steps just to bring back some of the intensity. Clean up the edge. I'm applying some concealer here because I had my foundation and I wiped it off with that wipe. Now I'm gonna switch to a very thin angled brush. This one is by Zoeva. It's their 317 wing liner brush. And I'm gonna take a mixture of this eyeshadow here and this one. These are more dark brown shades. And I'm gonna use those to extend my inner corner here. Oh my god, every time I do this little triangle in the inner corners of my eyes, I look like a different human. Now guys, listen, we haven't done a makeup tutorial in a while. I need my shimmers. I'm gonna take some of this shimmery eyeshadow here. I'm not gonna apply it with my fingers because I don't want you to see my nails up close. From far away, they look awesome. Up close, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spray my brush with some setting spray, dip it in that eyeshadow. Whoa, this is going to be so good. And I'm gonna apply it on my eyelid. Also, by adding some shimmers on your eyelid, if you didn't blend your eyeliner really well, the shimmers will kind of cover it for you. They will save the situation. See, I had to switch to my fingers. I don't like how brushes apply shimmery eyeshadows. My fingers are way better at that. That's a second cup of coffee today. It's one of those days. Don't ask any further questions. I put some honey in my coffee instead of sugar. Ugh, it's awful. I mean, it's awfully drinkable. I don't know, I think that I'm gonna get used to it. Okay, now I'm curling my lashes, prepping them for my mascara. this color correcting, what is this? Liquid corrector by the brand Jessica Black. By the way, guys, side note, I was thinking about this last night when I was in the bathroom. Awesome thoughts like that always come to me when I'm in the bathroom. So I was thinking, why we're always going for that cat eye, that foxy eye makeup look? I get it, those animals, they have gorgeous eyes, we can't deny that. But we need to open up our mind for something new, for something different. Listen, there are also other animals that have gorgeous eyes too. For example, I don't know, cows? Oh, that was not a good example. Oh my god. I mean, some of them do. Have you seen their lashes? They're pointing straight down, but they're long. By the way, I would have slayed that cow's eye makeup. Because I have that resting cow face like all the time. It's just what I was born with. It's the resting cow face for me that brings all the boys in the yard. Moo. Oh my god, we're getting so off topic again. Anyways, I don't remember what I was talking about. I don't remember how we got here. But I'm applying some concealer under my eyes, cover up those panda under eyes. Anyways, moving on to my contour, I'm gonna use this one here by Melt Cosmetics. But I think that I might need some powder first. Yes, let's do some powder. I need to wash my brushes. My skin is so dry today. I started using some salicylic acid on my blemishes here. See, I kinda removed my foundation. I will need to reapply it on top of this little guy here. But yeah, it definitely helps with the blemishes and the blackheads. Some bronzer on my forehead. Just a tiny little bit. This is the Benefit Dandelion blush. It's a very nice color. I love this shade of pink. I'm gonna go back to that ColourPop palette, take some more of those shimmers, and I will apply them right here, in this inner area of my lower lash line. I'm gonna stop somewhere in the middle. Oh, I like the brightness. I'll also take a mixture of this and this color again, and I will apply those very closely to my lower lash line, in the outer half. Basically applying them in between my lower lashes, stopping in the center. Like this. I kinda wanna go with a brighter lip color today. Whoa! See, with I look like this. Oh no, I messed up my lipstick. I was saying that with I look like this, you can wear whatever lip color you want. Oh, this is so pretty. I like this lipstick with my shirt, but I want to tone it down a little bit. It's way too pink for my comfort zone. I have this lipstick here by BH Cosmetics. I'm using this every time I want to tone down some of my lipsticks. It's just a very light nude shade. That made it even more pink. Oh my god, how did I do that? Okay, we're getting there. I'm applying a lipstick by Makeup Forever. This is in the shade 166 on top of it. On top of everything that I already have on my lips. I don't like it when I'm mixing different lipsticks, you guys. It makes it difficult for you to follow. I usually avoid doing that in my videos, but I love this color. I wish I had one lipstick, this color. Because it's bright, it's pink, but it's not too much. You can definitely wear this in the grocery store. 2020 is the worst year for the lipsticks. It doesn't matter what lip color you're wearing, no one will see it. You're wearing a mask. Now is the best time to wear all of those crazy bold lip colors that you never felt daring enough to wear. Do it now! This shirt was made to be worn with pink lipstick. I think that I want some white pencil in my waterline. This is a pink, baby pink actually. No highlighter, no FOXYs today. I think that 2020 broke me. To be honest with you, I like this broken. Nah, I like this updated version of myself. That's better. Now guys, as much as I love sitting here talking with you, as much as I love sharing my bathroom thoughts with you, I will need to wrap this video up. I'm sorry, I don't want to do it too, but I have to. But if you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, gently press that like button. If you want to see more of me, I have a second channel here on YouTube where I'm posting videos. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!